Welcome to Laraib Tech. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the Xiaomi 13 Pro, the latest smartphone from Xiaomi that boasts a powerful camera system and an elegant design. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is a masterpiece that bridges the legend of a century of photography with the masterpieces you create today. With its professional optical technology, integrated imaging aesthetics, and the full Leica experience, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is the perfect ally for creating masterpieces in multiple environments. The device's body design is ultra-curved on both sides and has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the front of the display. The back of the phone features medical-grade bioceramic material, which not only adds a soft touch to the streamlined structure but also highlights the design style of a flagship device. It's a masterpiece that balances professionalism, elegance, and durability. Moreover, the device is ruggedized to a professional level with IP68 water and dust resistance *, making it a reliable ally for creating masterpieces in any environment, whether on the deck of a sailing ship or in the heart of the desert. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is equipped with a professional Leica optical lens system that incorporates complex and sophisticated optics previously only found in traditional photography. The ultra-large 1-inch sensor and professional-grade optics make the lens itself an incredible masterpiece. Each accessory can improve the quality of the lens from the ground up to achieve even more light transmission, allowing you to create masterpieces in any lighting conditions. The telephoto lens on the Xiaomi 13 Pro is split into two units and can be moved internally to transform into a telephoto and macro camera. Inspired by the professional DSLR lens, it allows you to capture moments with incredible detail, with focal shift technology additionally based on the Xiaomi imaging engine. The Xiaomi ProFocus goes even further to support animal eye tracking and capture even more precise details in snapshots. We can capture even more than the dog jumping up and down, even catching the bee it's chasing. The 10-bit RAW DNG camera and color profiles created by Adobe for PS and LR support also give you a solid starting point for professional photographers in post-production. You can feel professionalism and passion every time you shoot with Xiaomi 13 Pro, whether you press the shutter button, hear the shutter sound from the M series, or how the classic Leica watermark is placed on your masterpiece. The Xiaomi 13 Pro comes with a 6.73-inch WQHD Plus AMOLED screen that offers a vivid and immersive visual experience, perfect for viewing and editing your masterpieces. And that's it for today's video on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Let us know in the comments section below what you think about this amazing device. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.